In this video, I'll show you a simple way to turn your Figma design into HTML and CSS code. Start by opening your Figma project. Once it's open, look at the menu and click on the Actions icon. In the panel that appears, switch to the Plugins and Widgets tab. In the search box, type Teleport HQ. When it appears in the list, click to open the plugin. Now, select the parts of your design you want to export. You can choose single layers or the full layout. To find all layers, use the left-hand panel and click on the layer names you want. After making your selection, choose the option to export as a new project. Your browser will open a new page for Teleport HQ. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email or a quick Google sign-in. Once you're in, wait for your project to load completely. At the top right corner, click on the Code button. You might see a pop-up asking to upgrade. You can close it and continue. Now, click View Code. By default, you'll see React code, but you can change that. Use the drop-down menu in the top left of the code panel and choose HTML. Wait a moment for it to generate your code. You'll now have your Figma design converted into HTML and CSS files. Use the copy button to grab the parts you need. That's it. Thanks for watching.